Good morning, everyone. How are you? I hope all of you are fine. Today we will revise lesson number 2, Our Sweet Home. So, first of all, what is a home? The house in which we live with our family members is called a home. The house in which we live with our family is called a home. And why we call it sweet? Because it is full of love, care, attachment. So, this is our sweet home. So, in this chapter, we will learn about our home. Living together teaches us to love our family members and care for them. So, when we live together with our family members teaches us so many things. In chapter number 1, we learned that our family is called our first school because it teaches us so many things. So, it teaches us love, care, respect, good habits, good manners, etc. It also teaches us sharing, how to share work and things with our family members and others. So here is a picture of a sweet home, and inside a home has many rooms. Like our home, we are also having so many rooms in our home. Each room has different things and uses. The pictures given below shows the various rooms of a picture home. Write the names of the rooms on the dotted line. So here is a help box in which we can see bedroom, toilet, drawing room, dining room, store room, kitchen, study room and bathroom. So first picture is of, as we can see in this, a sofa and a center table is there, so it can be our drawing room. Second, gas stove, fridge, so it is a kitchen. In third picture we can see a dining table where all the family members sit together and take their meal, so it is our dining room. Next is bedroom, study table and books in study room. Where we can take a bath, this place is called bathroom. Storeroom, where we can keep our extra things. And last one is the toilet. Now we are moving to our next page. All these rooms are also present in our homes also. So a good home makes our life comfortable and healthy. So what are the characteristics of a good home? एक good home होना कैसा चाहिए? It should be properly ventilated. Properly ventilated means it should have windows and doors so that proper air can come. So proper ventilation should be there, fresh air can come and stale air can go out. A good home should allow sunlight and fresh air to come in. It is important to kill the germs because sunlight itself is a good sanitizer. It can kill the germs of our home. Windows and doors should have properly wire netted. Have you seen your windows? I showed you in the Zoom class that what is wire netting, which is on our windows and doors. It is important that our doors and windows should be wire netted so that flies and mosquitoes cannot enter, because flies and mosquitoes can spread diseases. A good home should have a proper drainage system. What do you mean by drainage system? That means it has the full removal of drainage of the used water. Like we use water in bathrooms, kitchens, wash basins, so it should be properly drain out कि वो हमारे घर से पूरी तरह से बाहर चला जाए. A dash has many rooms. A home, a good home should be properly ventilated. Animals in our homes. Some animals we keep in our home, they are our pet animals, like dog, cat, parrot. They live with us because we want that they will live with us, so that's why we bring them. Name two pet animals: dog, cat. Other animals like mosquitoes, rats, houseflies also live in our homes, so we should not like them, we should not allow them, but they are uninvited because we don't want हमारे घर पे lizard, mosquitoes, rats, houseflies आए, so they spread diseases and makes us sick. So we can remove them by cleaning our home regularly. So we should clean our home regularly? Here are the pictures of some uninvited animals like an ant, a mosquito, a fly, a cockroach, a rat and a lizard. Now the next page is, we all feel the joy of helping our parents in cleaning our home. In chapter 1, we also learned that how Priya and Rahul helped their parents. Now again, here is a girl who is sweeping the floor with the broom. A boy who is throwing waste in the dustbin. One boy who is removing cobwebs, cleaning furniture, and the last girl is mopping the floor. So these are the ways how to clean our home. Next, things we use for cleaning our home. Some things we have seen, like there is a wiper, mop or broom we can use. Name the following objects you need to clean your house. So here is a help box in which cloth duster, washing powder, soap, dustpan, flit, bucket and mug, vacuum cleaner, toilet brush, broom and mop are there. So we have to identify the picture and write its name. Like first picture is of mop, second is broom, third is vacuum cleaner, fourth is bucket and mug, fifth is dustpan, sixth is cloth duster, seventh is flit. It is a spray like black heat or red heat we use in our homes. It is also used in our homes to keep away mosquitoes and flies. Next is soap, toilet brush and washing powder. So these are various things which we use to clean our home. Multiple choice questions. The uninvited animal in our homes is a rat, a dog, a parrot. So answer will be rat. Which one is a pet animal? Ant, lizard, cat. So answer will be cat. Now the next one is festivals and our homes. So when we celebrate festivals, we decorate our home with different things. Like on especially Diwali, we use torans, colorful lights, and we make the rangoli. So we celebrate different festivals with our family, like Rakhi, Bhaiya Dooj, Diwali, Holi, Dashehra, Baisakhi, and there are so many festivals which we celebrate with our family members. Festivals bring joy and happiness. They give us a feel of joy, and we feel happy when we celebrate festivals with our family members. So on such occasions, we decorate our homes with rangoli and toran. Do you know we should grow many trees around our homes because trees keep the air clean and fresh. That's why they are called our green friends also. Now it's time to solve book part. A kitchen is a place where we take a bath. No. Cook. Yes. The insect that can make us sick. Goat. No. Cow. No. Mosquito. Yes. Fill in the blanks. The house in which we live with our family is called a home. Mosquitoes spread dash and make us sick. Mosquitoes spread diseases because they are uninvited guests. Circle the odd ones. Give the reason for your answer. Kitchen, drawing room, mosquito, bedroom. Answer will be mosquito, as rest of the three are rooms of a home. Cockroach, mosquito, fly, trees. Answer will be trees because trees are our green friends, but cockroach, mosquito and fly, they are uninvited animals and they spread diseases. Write the name of the pictures in the space provided. So, can you identify the first picture for me? Yes, this is a kitchen, and second one study room, and the third one is bedroom. We remove it every corner from our room. Cobwebs, dustbin or paint. So answer will be cobwebs. During festivals, we decorate our homes with cobwebs. No, cobwebs are made by spiders. We cannot decorate our home with this. Rangoli, yes. So in this chapter, we learnt about rooms of a house, uninvited animals and things to clean the house. So keep reading. Have a nice day. Thank you.